Hello everyone, good evening. So we are back for today's episode of Felix doing something. And on this episode we will proceed with the development of that landscape. So yesterday after I finished the stream I couldn't say no for anything, so the ramp was a little bit corrected. I managed to move it almost 1 meter, and now it is a little bit more aligned, but I do think I need to get some more reference about how to correct it a little bit more. But now if we're gonna take it, look here, we will see it's even and it is aligned with the column here, so we can live with that. And what we will be doing now is going back to the landscape. So here we are at the landscape model, and we need to start working on that part. So we can erase you. I'm gonna take you, make group, and now we can delete that one and do the magic. The magic will be done in a second. For that we need to form a face. I'm gonna use that one as long as it's gonna work, and no, it's not working. Like, we have some problem here, and I see where the problem is located. It's located here, so this one is not needed. Let's try again and see if we can form face between that two segments. And yes, indeed we can, but we need only one segment. That's good. Let's see if there is no other problems, but there is some problems here. This probably should move here, and when we move it here, this will be straightened. This is a very important part. I see some problems here that need to be checked. Nevertheless, I see problems here that are occurred, and I wonder how to solve them. Apparently we can solve them manually, and some problems has occurred here. Well, good enough. Now when we have that, we can start doing the manual repairment. So this and this are not correct. This should be like that. And move, let's see, this is one segment, yes, one segment, okie dokie. What about here? This is not needed, that's for sure. Move here and here, this is one segment, very good. Here we have more than one problem, I see. Looks like this one is not needed. This is one segment, one segment. Righty-tighty, okay, this has been fixed. Now, this is a very bad place. Why that happened, I don't know, but we will try to regenerate that face again. I'm gonna take you, and I'm gonna take all of that, and you can guess what happened now. Paz decided to jump on the table. Paz, go, come here. Don't do that, please. Just need one segment, okay. Paz! Stupid cat. And let's explode this part. Paz! What are you doing? What are you doing? Why do you think it's good to jump on the table each time I'm trying to work? Come on, no. Let me see. This is correct line. Okay, this is correct. This is definitely not correct. Oh yeah. Pass. Stop doing stupid things. Let's see now. Okay, correct and correct. Very good. Pass. No, no treats for you today. That's correct. Let's go over that one. There are some problem here that need to be addressed. This should be like that. Oh, here we have some leftover. Yep. And some leftover here that need to be fixed. Let's take a look. Completed. Yeah, that's I don't like, but I don't know how to fix that one. Where this one located, hard to tell, but now after doing that, we can start doing that streak, and we did it. Very good. Now, Paza, stupid cat. You can paint it. So, Alt, bucket, Alt, Paz. Don't look at me like that. Alt from here. Got you. And now we can put you here. Oh no, hidden. And now let's run this texture all across. Paza. What? Why are you doing that stupid noise? You got what you want, right? Okay, I knew I will have a problem here. Hidden lines. Yeah, that one like need to go like this one is not correct. So let's paint it like this. All of you, hidden lines. Hidden lines, I need to see them at first. As I think I can do it from here and here. This will save the situation here. Here it's correct, but this one is not doing it right. And here I saw probably duplicated face. Let's see if there's no duplicated face here. Now let's try to do that trick again. This one and this one has been formed. We can soften that one a little bit. Soften. So why this one doesn't working correctly? This is fine. This is fine. This is also fine. Maybe not. Nope. This is fine. And this is not fine. Okay, we found a problem. Let's see. Now it's working. Now this one should form a face. Triangulated face. Now let's turn off the hidden lines. Paint it. Oh, forgot about you, my friend. Bucket out. And bring it here, and now we can run this texture all over, all across. So we said we have problem somewhere here, I think, but now we won't see it because this one is pretty fixed. Yeah, here's the problem. So it's breaking from here to here. That's stupid. I know. Hidden lines off. How can we still try to fix it? Let's do last try to fix that one. This one is and this one are broken, so I will try to do that and this one here, and this should solve the problem. Let's do triangulation and do softening. Now bucket. Oh, I forgot the texture again. Gonna take the texture. Come on, pass. This is not your place. Your place is not on the table anymore. Hidden lines. This way and this way. Let's see what have we got here. So we had problem here, and now this one looks pretty much correct. Okay, going fine. That's really good. Okay, first one is done, and I still need to get rid of my cat. You cannot, you just got a treat before I started the stream. You're helpless cat. I will use it against you. Yeah, this spray will help us to get rid of them. Ow. Now I can remove that too, and still have to do this one. Oh, this is the drive-through. Do I have the ground poly here? No, I don't have the ground poly, but I definitely need to do something about him. And this is going all the way from the in to the out, and here we should take him from the in to that road, and this road has changed. So let's take the new road that we just built here from that model. I already changed it. And this is the landscape. And 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without the landscape, of course. I'm gonna take you, and the line here and here. Oh, yeah, not working as it should be. Without that one, we're gonna do Control C, Control to U, Control C now. And we're going here and we're gonna do Shift V. Now let's keep working. So this is a straight line. This is the 15, so it comes here, and from here it goes all the way straight until we're getting to the next turn. This is the next curve here. This should get up. Get up. Until here. Good enough. Move. Control, duplicate, up. Alrighty tighty, and we're gonna, oh, you've been forgotten. So this is 0.05 and 0.1, good enough. Now we can remove that segment and that segment. And this one and this one will be drawn in a second. Or at least I can do that segment here and here, and then, oh, no, and here, and I remove that segment, and this is already placed. Well, strange why I placed them twice, but if this is the same one, like that one, yes, you can offset him. So 0, 1. 1 second, I got the phone. So I'm back with you. Had a phone call here, very important one. And where I was here. Okay, so I know this is like going on here, but I get tired of fixing it. So let's change it. Let's turn the next one into 0.15. I think it's 15 here. I always can inspect that one. This is 0.15 at the continue of the road. Yes, we still have this white annoying line covering all that road. And also here 0.15. So what the width of the road here? Here this one is 689. And how much it's here? Oh, this one 730. Okay, so maybe I should make it wider. I don't like that element so much. Nope. So apparently we need to make it like 7 meters. So from here to here, this is exactly 7 meters. So I can take it out or take it in. What do you think? Just thinking about that one. Haven't decided yet. Okay, this one is also done. Hidden lines off. Don't need them. Oh, this is a little bit broken. I don't like it, and he don't like me. So this one should be here. Oh, come on. This one should be here. Luckily, I noticed that mistake here. And that one should be here. Now let's do the fix. And fix has been done, and this should solve the problem. Hidden lines off. Oh yeah, sorry, soften. This can fix the problem, so I'm going to do that, and then it will be straightened out a little bit more. It simply takes the UV breaks, so each time I'm breaking it not correctly, it will do some artifacts. Here it's pretty good, so I'm not complaining, but I need to start working on that area that I really don't like. Right, pass. Yes, good pass. Oh, so I did that one here, so apparently this one should get that line till here. A lot of broken things here. Why I did two, I don't know why, but it will go like that till it gets till the first point. Where is the first point? Here. Good enough. This is the first point. This is the last point, and it didn't. Oh, now it did it. So this will go like that, and here we have, let's take a look at the width of the road. This is 711. 711, so I should take you out. And then even better. It starts even better here. So I'm gonna take this one, 0.15. So this was broken like that, but here it will be broken in a different way. So this is fine, I know. And now let's get here. And from here to here we have 0.15. That's correct. Oh, come on. Take it. Till it starts breaking, and it starts breaking here. I think it starts breaking here. No, it starts the break starts here. So here we start breaking. This is 0.1, correct, no problem. Gonna take that line and gonna bring it all the way here. Hopefully this is the right angle, and I got it. But I don't like this one. Maybe this should be 24. This is a very long curve, 24. Okay. Now you should get 0.15. 0.15 here. And here we're gonna bring you, move down here, 0.15. And I think I can already close that one. And yeah, that's good. This one is not cleaned yet, so it will be cleaned very soon. But here we have another corner. How many other entrances we have here? Enough entrance to kill myself, I think. Yeah, this is also part of the landscape. Right, so I need to model something here before going anywhere further, but luckily I have, or haven't, not, or I do have, I still don't know, but the road stops here. I really want to get this detail from that point. Okay, but I managed to do that one, and this is the most important part right now. So let's do that. Gonna take you, make you a group. I'm gonna get into this one, I'm gonna delete you. And what about that one? Well, can stay like this until here. Control A. Let's form face, one segment. Let's see if it's not broken, and this one is broken. So bad for me. It's gonna be better this way. So we're gonna go here. This is straightened. This is bad, so we're gonna fix that one. This one should get here. Come on. Oh no, Control Z. At least you remember. At least the Control Z's work now with this plugin. So less mistakes are done. And just that one definitely not correct. So this one should get here, I think. Okay, and this one should get here. Beautiful. We have another breaks. Oh, that one will be a strange one. Okay, I can confirm I like it, but before doing any more I like it, I'm gonna do that. Gonna kill you, gonna turn you into a group, gonna take you out, Shift V, gonna get back here. Let's hope this one is a full one. No, it's not fully modified correctly. I'm gonna triangulate face, and after triangulating all the faces, I said triangulate all faces, please. All faces been triangulated. We can drop some color or texture on that one, except here that this is simply terrible. Okay, this is simply terrible, no problem. I already see where the problem is. I'm gonna try to regenerate this one. Probably I have the same problem here. Nope, just messed up texture. Move. So this can go here, this can go here, I think. And I think it's can go here. Let's see. Oh no, it cannot go here. It should be here. This one should be here and that one. Okay. This one can go here, and this one can go here, and hopefully no more mistakes with that one, no more mistakes with that one. So where I had another one like this, here, oh, this definitely can be also optimized. So this one has been optimized, this one has been optimized. I remember seeing another one somewhere, I think here, yes. So this can go here, this one can go here, and I have another broken one here. So at least I can divide it at that point. Or maybe, no, this is like that one, so this is not good. I have the ground poly, the asphalt texture here. So let's triangulate everything from scratch here. Let's hope it's gonna triangulate. Yes, it's been triangulated, but not here. This one hasn't been triangulated. Why so? I don't know. Oops, sick. Nope. So get here. This will be done here. Very good. Bucket. Bucket for soften first. Hidden lines. And let's do the magic. 1 and 2. Good enough. This has been painted. Correct. All the way. Correct. Very good. Bucket. Now let's start aligning the rest of the texture here. It should be like that. This should be here. Very good. Hidden lines off and backlights off. Okay, 1, 2, make group. Now we're gonna finish that texture. Oopsie, an error occurred. Quad face. I like when quad face is failing. I wish they will create an update for this plugin so less mistakes will be happening with this plugin. This and this. Now let's generate face, one segment. That's correct, but the only problem here is that I haven't checked what I done. Okay, so no, Control A. Let's do quad face again. Everything fine except this part here that need to be straightened. Like that, only one segment. Looks fine now. Here it looks fine, here it looks fine, very good, but we need to explode you now. Explode, reverse face, quad face. triangulate, and bucket painted. Ooh, that's terrible here. Well, 1 and 2. Hidden lines off, hidden lines off, but it's worked. Good enough. So now we can work on this one. Delete, Control A. Oh no, delete, delete. Let's start with that guy. Oh ho ho, we have some strange leftovers. Why that? 1. Can like replace him to 1. Come on, why you're not generating face? If this is not working, I can try to do... No, I need that. Oh, you know what? Let's see if there is some leftovers here. No leftovers. Okay, 1 and 2. And then we want to do that trick, but it doesn't give us the opportunity. Yes. 1 and 2, and V. Yes, no. Only if it will be, nope, nope, nope. Maybe we can do, how it's called. That plugin that I don't like, but explode. It should solve the problem. Let's see how you did it. Well, nope. Disable triangulated face. It's such bad that it's simply not working. Okay, again. No, not the island itself. I need that asphalt. Thank you for bringing me here. Make group again. Enter. Maybe without anything it's gonna work. No. We should change direction and say okay. Loved by Spline to 1. Maybe we can do that trick, and when we have 3, it will help us to generate something. Oh, come on. Okay. This one, right? 1, 2, 3. Maybe that can help us. Yeah, this is definitely can help us. Straight lines, that's for sure. One segment won't work here, I think. This is such a broken element. Like, kill me. This one here, this should go from there to here. Instead, this one can go from there to here. No, it doesn't want even to do that one. Not working. Delete. Weld. Weld. 1, 2. Or we can do half and half. Okay. Sounds better. If I'm saying I can do it like that, so I'm saying half and half. 1 here. 1 here. That's right. Now let's find the next one. 1 here. 1 here. This one is done. This is a whole straight segment. Looks like. And this one is a whole straight segment. So let's start with that one. Make group, enter. Let's kill that one and see what have we done. So you are a curve face. Okay, this one is working and this is pretty straight, so no problem with that one. And explode, control reverse, form curve lines, good, bucket paint, and throw the texture. This one is done, same for that part. Line, done. And now let's search for that one. And done. Make group, erase, and erase. Hopefully, I hope I did it correctly. Looks like. And now let's do the trick here. 1 segment. It's correct. Explode. Reverse. Triangulate faces. Bucket. Rub the paint. Well, it's gonna work also this direction. And now only that one left. Texture position. I'm gonna put one here, good enough. Bucket from here to here, texture position, good enough. One is done, and now we simply can try to reuse some of these modules. So this one and this one are pretty much the same, right? I think they're the same. Let's explode you, my friend. Okay, we got that one and that one. So this one can be used at the upper one. Here, come on, get the point. It's got the point. Here, and here will be closed. Good enough. I don't need that one. Control Z. Okay. Now that one move will be placed here, but we need to mirror you. So -1. I'm gonna move that guy to the first point here. Good enough. Now rotate like that, like this, and voila. 1 and 2. Delete. Bucket. Let's paint the rest of them. Bucket. They're really calling it bucket, I think. Let's see. Paint bucket. Well, if this is the paint bucket, I wonder when they will create a paint brush in SketchUp. This one is closed. This one is closed. This one is closed. Very good. So 1, make group, enter, erase. Let's form face, form face, form face, loft, 1 segment. Okay, looks good. Explode, double click, reverse, triangulate, bucket, paint, and UV the texture correctly according to that line. And now this one, make group, enter. This edge can go, this edge can go. Let's create a new face. Explode, triangulate, bucket, all triangulated. Show the texture, and voila, we have this texture here, bucket here, texture position. Let's reposition that one here, and this one here, texture position. If I didn't have these white corners, I could already finish this model, but it's just a small portion of the first step of finishing this object. I still see that I need to model the parkings here, and oh my god. Like so many objects still need to be done here. Let's see what the news says. There's gonna be interesting things today. Mhm. Okay, good enough. So I did that one. Now which can go on the other ones. So this is asphalt, and a lot of headaches will come from this model, this part of the model. Maybe I should do something else. I don't know yet, but let's see. I got that one till it gets here, and here the fun starts. Righty tighty. Oh, yeah, this was the wrong cutting. I should cut it like that. You know what? Let's cut it here for now. Like that. Why you are not forming face? That's weird. Probably we have some loose edge. Lost edges. Lost. Sorry. Ah. Yeah, let's prepare it for the new stone here. Oh, that was not good. Maybe I'm getting sick. Or maybe not. Ooh, that's a problem. Nope. That can go here, 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 here. Let's hope I didn't make any terrible mistakes here. Mm-hmm. Good enough. Now it's clean. Right. I also saw other things here, like when I have this guy here, it's like going definitely much deeper. Like I'm using that one here. Oh, it's already on the same line, like this one. So that guy is correct. But here I think that guy should go here. Oh, it's also going here. So I don't see any other problem, except that this one looks a little bit broken. Maybe we can do extra. Oh, we cannot do extra, but extra here. Maybe this extra can work, or at least I will do the extra here to that one, and this can go. Which one I did? This one, right? It's too many, so let's make it 6, and we can open that one. Oh, hey, you can be exploded. I don't need you alive. Like I want to do it more correctly according to the ground imagery. So I can keep it like that. Very fine. I saw somewhere else that there is a lot of coloring. This passing over that one, and this is bricks road. I'm still not satisfied with the portion here. Right. So I have you now, and I can start trimming the rest. So Ctrl C, let's bring you now to that model, to the ground model. The Shift V, move down, so you will be here now, not there anymore. And same for all the roundabout, I think. All the roundabout can be copied. Okay, let's take hidden lines. Without it, only that line control. Ooh, that's interesting. I did something very interesting here. So is that this is the group? Okay, Shift V. So the outer one is not needed, so I can delete the outer one, but the inner one is more interesting, and I want to bring it to the ground now and see what's the consequence. The consequences is that I lost a little bit of grounding here. Righty-tighty. Okay, at least I managed to remove all of that at once. And here we can see how that one is going, and this one is not relevant anymore. The road is not interesting me. Like, I know there's a road here, but I need the outer lines. So this island is done. Now we have another island here. Before doing that, how can I be know for sure that I did it correctly? Yeah, how can you be sure about that? I'm talking about, ooh, that's bad. I never built this road. But like I have 2 roads, like 1 and 2. Let's see if I'm correct about that road. Shift V. Yeah, they're here. Okay, so this is correct. What about this one? I'm talking about that one. Shift V. Let's take a look. Correct. Okay, so we can start forming that poly here. It doesn't want to create this poly. I wonder why. I wonder how. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me that blue sky, and all that I can see just a face doesn't want to form. Like we have some left over here. Let's try again. Hello, don't want to form unless I see the problem. Ctrl C, Shift V, and Shift D. Thank you. Make group. Push pull. You should be at that height. You should be part of this one. Control. Okay. push-pull control. You should get it here. Righty-tighty, this is 15. So 15 centimeters, thank you. And that comes like that here, and here it's going straight here. Good enough. Oh, no, 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 no. A lot of lines that I'm not understanding why they are there. Back it out. I can try to use this photo for now. It's a bit later. So this one for here. And then we get into the bus platforms, and bus platforms need to be Model 2. In 1 second, I'm taking a break after this long call. I also want to make some cleanups in the home, at home. Yeah, we'll clean my home for a little bit. Oopsie. What you should see. Okay, let's, should I explode that one? No, just need to take the bottom line. Oh, damn. How can I take the bottom line only by, ooh, first soften everything, good enough. But I need the bottom line. You know what? Control C, Shift V, good enough. Line, we can form that one now. Hopefully this one will be correct. Make group, enter. Oh, why I did that? Explode, double click, make group, enter. That's better. I don't need that one anymore. Delete, 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 and delete for you. Now go here back, explode, exprimos, and only make this one a group. Make group, enter, push pull, all the way up. Now let's do that trick, and what we're gonna do here is 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 15, or is it, no, the landscape is in centimeters, 15, righty-tighty. Erase, ooh, all that doesn't want to be erased. Not good, but at least something is working. Now double click on that, delete, bucket out. Finally, we got that one here. Oh, also this one should get the same treatment. 15, no problem. 15, okay, and 15 here. Finally, something started getting shape of a terminal, of a landscape. Never mind. Okay, at least I want to close that one, and I didn't finish this one here. Interesting. I wonder if we have better photo of that one. Not sure about this, so let's go to the secondary, to the roads themselves, and we will keep walking here. So I got that one. Oh, this is a group, Control C, and at least we always can do an inspection and see if we are doing that one correctly. Yes, this is the white line. This is the white line pass. No, 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 definitely no, no, no. Okay, so this one is not needed anymore. This one also not needed anymore. Double click on that one. Delete. Ah, very good puzzle. Very good. Good puzzle. Okay, that's good. So now we need to start working on that side. Here I think we already has, but it's a little bit more complicated here. Okay, never mind. Let's keep going. Righty-tighty. So we need to see what's exactly going on here. Can we? I think we can. Let's place the car here. Oh, we can. Ooh, beautiful. So we have the old one. Yeah, before they do the revaluation. So this is the old islands. Okay. Do we have a better imagery for that one? I don't know, but it's like going here. I think this is time that we will jump into the photos. Pause. And that's the insides. Oh, looks like more than 30. 15. Pazzy, Pazzy, Pazzy. No, 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 no. You will get that one. You don't want to get that one, right? You can sleep only here without disturbing me. Right. No, I already been on these photos. Ooh, there's also anti-watering collector. Yeah, I'm not gonna model it, or I gonna model it. And this is the fountain. Nope, but hey, I can see this detail. This is here. Everything from when it was under construction. And we have some different. No, it's just water dripping, but I like how symmetrical the water drips looks like here. And this is the asphalt here, and this is the here. No, I just need to put the texture and it will be done. Okay, so I hope I did this one correctly. The McDonald's, not interesting. Again, the water collector and then the stones here. Here it's different stone across, and this is, oh, beautiful, exactly what I need. So the small islands here, located here, here, and okay, so time to draw them, I think. And this is just an asphalt, good for me. Okay, so this is the landscape model. Let's divide it. Divide by 2. Good enough. I don't like how it's divided. And it's looks straightened. Okay, let's take a look at this detail here. It's too bad I can't see the other parking, but at least I can see that this one is going straight up. This even looks bigger than that. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maximum 11.70, I don't know. But let's see that one here. Looks like I did a mistake here and I can definitely take it 15 centimeters away. Move. On that line 0.15. That's gonna fix it that way. Pasa. No, 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 no. So it can be here. And the line is straight. The line is definitely straight. I can fake it, but I don't want to fake it like. Let's take a look here again. 8.5 meters. Alrighty tighty. So, are we back to that one again? How much I need to move all of that guy, all of that element? 1 meter, that's what I need, 1 meter. Probably here I need less. I'm thinking about that one. It's really, really frustrating. One second, what they sent me. Nope. Nope. Even half of that will solve the problem, or maybe not. Like this road is definitely not the same, the width I need. Unless I can make it bigger. bigger. Let's see. Here's the bridge. The width is 8.5 meters. So I'm checking that, and this is 8.5 meters. So the problem is not here. Like, how to move it more to the left. How to move you more to the left. How to move you more to the left. Unless I can... No, but this one is also symmetrical. Everything here is symmetrical, I think. Like, the distance from here to there is the same. Like, from here to here, this is 314, and from here, come on, to here is 314. Like, I cannot squeeze you anymore. I cannot squeeze that one anymore. Also, I don't want to move anything else anymore. It's this project. That's hard one for me. Okay, we can also do that one, that island. Do we want to close that island too? Yeah, why not? One, make group, enter, pull, 15, and that one, make group, enter, pull, 15, and then we can make the 15 centimeters. Good enough. Oh, that's not right. Where do we have, here, okay, better. Now we can select that guy here, and hopefully this solve the problem. Yeah, hopefully this will solve the problem. Hidden lines off, hidden lines on. So the work continues. And now let's take a look again at the bridge. I'm looking at the bridge and I don't like what I'm seeing here. Unless the ground imagery is not correct. But it is correct. And the car lines are straight. The distance here is 210 centimeters. No. No. There's a light pole here. Hello, light. Oh, no, it's not light pole. It's that column that cars need to go under. We have a totem here. Oh, Scheisse. I cannot move it anymore. The only other way I still have here is to make this one wider. Unless this one is not as wide as this one. Is it an option? Everything is an option. Also, I cannot predict exactly where that one located. There was some magical answer for that one, for this one. Parking, at least I have that sign that I can work with. Very good one, I must say. Very good quality. But I'm not looking for this one. Is it right? No. I have all the pavement textures. That's also would be nice to have that. If it will go there. It's never don't no 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 not there, not there. Like all of you should move, but you are sitting here on the center. So the only thing I can do is take you to the back and then you can realign. But like this area looks like this is exactly the right place for you. I just need that guy without softening that. Okay, good enough. Also, that can be softened and that can be softened. Oof. I'm breaking my head over that one and wasting too much time figure out what can I do to solve the problem. See, this is a straight line all the way till the bridge. The only question is what the width of this one. And look at that, this comes to this column. No, it's not really helping me, it comes to this column. So maybe I can make this one wider. And then the problem will be solved, but now the situation here is that this one is a symmetrical one. I just need to steal another 60 centimeters, even less. I just need to steal 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meters. Meter. 1 meter is what making the change. Let's get some photos. Here we go. We got the map we already used. This one looks wider than that one. I don't know why. And we got this one. P1. Solvent Airport P1. Well, images, when you are not knowing what to do, always can get more photos again. Oh, I used that one. Okay, I think you want me to... Oh, later. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Not helping me. This one is wider than that. Or, I don't know. Oh, that's also thing that I need to do. To be or not to be. Open image in new tab. Can we open it? Well, this is gonna help us a little bit by telling us what we should do here. Photos, landscape, yes, yes. Well, at least I can see more details here. Terminal, no. This for the other entrance from the McDonald's side. At least here I know I'm correct. Nope. Nope. Ramp. Ramp. Maybe videos can help us. Videos. Okay. Park and fly, yes. Parking, okay. And then you take in a bus, okay. Nope. Animation, no. The collapse. Poof. P1 MPB building. We got the MPV building. I think I use this scheme for the model. Someone enhanced it with the AI. Don't see anything strange here. And I don't see the ramp here too. Yeah, this is the collapse of the parking building. Okay, very similar. But I know from where this one has been taken, and no. Again, some... Oh, this is a line, a very big line. Maybe that can help us, if it wasn't 200 pixels. What about that one? 1000 pixels. It's better than 200 pixels. Let's open this image in new tab. Righty tighty, not helping me. But look at that, this is much wider. Save image as, and let's drop it to photos. Right, this is a PNG. Okay. No. Maybe that can give us some information about what's going on here, if it was in a good quality. Oh, this is a PDF. Okay. Oh, oh, sorry. What about this photo? 300 pixels. 2000 pixels. Well, maybe the 2000 pixels can help us. It was during the construction work, so hard to tell exactly. But look at that. There's the column. I don't see any parking here. This is the ramp. No, like simply this one is bigger. So if I'm gonna make this one bigger, bigger, this side also should grow. Am I right? Yeah, it should be 8.5 meters. So never mind, unless I can move all this bridge together or make this one smaller. This one gets smaller, this column, the center can get here. But I'm really like, yeah, for 10 centimeters it won't be worth it. Hidden lines. From here to here I have something like another 25 centimeters, but so I can move it, let's say 10 centimeters, all that structure, all this column. I'm not sure this is what's gonna change the project. Or we can fake it, like nobody should know exactly what's going on here. I think faking it is the smartest thing I can do here right now. Like that. Let's see. This one is 8.5 meters. Okay. What QG says about the width of the road here? So we have from here to here. This is 10.5 meters. How that one is 10.5? You see, I'm thinking this one is a little bit broken. Is it? Or is it not? Like I have that line here and it goes like that, and then it's growing this direction. But this one looks pretty straight, and I don't know. To must tell you the truth, I really don't know. Here it's turned 10.5, and then it's turned into 8.5. How that possible? Oh, this is even possible. Nine and a half. Like, that road is much wider than here. The photo is still open, the one I was looking at. No, I don't need that set anymore. Okay, this is the ramp. This is the area of the ramp here. But this is still the old terminal. I think you're looking at my stream right now, so let's see what you're saying there. Oh, nothing for now. Oh, why I didn't use this floor for the ground? And I have that one. This is the back. This is the McDonald's side. Not really helping me. I think I already passed that one. Let's go back to the beginning. The McDonald's, the right through that one. It's totally straight here. Why the measurements are broken? Why the measurements are broken? Oh, look at that. I forgot some texture in here. Good that I noticed. Yeah, better now than ever. Okay, so I try to fix it here. Still not perfect, but if I manage to increase that one, 9, if it's gonna increase to 9 meters, what will happen then? Like I'm saying, I should give here another 30 centimeters to each direction. If I'm gonna give here 30 centimeters like that, and also 30 centimeters here, this will be wider, but that's mean I need 60 centimeters to this direction, and then this need to move 60 centimeters, but this is like in a very good place, so I don't know, like my brain is killing me. Okay, at least let's draw one island. We're gonna draw one island, or maybe we can... No, no, not good, not good, not good. Go back to where we've been. Ugh. Exit Street View, my friends, thank you. Maybe we can get some more information from here. Oh, we already have plans. Like, I'm looking at this one. I'm trying to figure out exactly what's went wrong here. So this can move 60 centimeters. So why not? Why not faking it? Like, F that. I'm really tired of that. Trying to do everything correctly. So make group, let's say, oh, not correct, not correct. Control Z. I'm gonna take all of that segment here. Make group, good enough. I'm gonna move it 60. 60. And this will turn it into, nope, on that direction, 930. Let's see where this one falling. This one falling here, so the road can go all that way. This looks more correct, but I will have a lot of troubles here, but this is possible. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So now, next thing I want to do is take this segment, scale it. This is the only way that can work. I'm gonna scale it all the way here. And I'm gonna take this element, scale it, the front face of him here, and this one is done. Now only that one is not correct. So what we're gonna do with you is bring you all the way here. Ooh, sorry phone, what do you want? Oh, the phone saying something. What? Ooh, not the right train. Yes, I'm still guessing the color of my friend's train that will take him to work. Okay, so this is done, and this was 60, so you should move 30 if this is the case. If this is the case, I'm gonna move you 30. No, I'm just gonna... Boo-hoo-hoo. Well, we can forget about that one. Like, if it's gonna be shorter. No, it can be shorter. Okay, forget about it. Forget about it. It's not working anymore. Like, I have this column here. I cannot bypass it. So the only thing I can do is simply stretch it. But if I'm gonna stretch it, this will be... I will overrun this one. God damn it. I can also take it to the back. Like I said, taking it to the back here. Gonna realign it better. 60 centimeters this direction. Gonna solve the problem exactly here. And what about this one? Well, it also works here, but now it won't not aligned here. I think it's pretty much on the XY axis, so only to the back can work. And if I'm gonna take it to the front, no, taking it to the front, not gonna work. But I can take it, let's say, 60 centimeters to the back. And 60 centimeters to the back is like putting it here. And then this one is not where it should be, according to that one. Yeah, it should be a little bit away. So, looks like there's no other way than not faking it. Like, I'm sorry about that. This is too much and I'm getting tired of trying. So let's do something else and finish the islands. Okay, so we got one island here. The length of this island is 60 meters. And good enough, good enough. Now it's probably 30. No, it's 45, I think. 35, so 45 gonna give us 22.5, 2.5, even 25. Let's do it 25. Okay, 25 and 25. That no, 50 in this direction. Good enough. Erase. Now we can close it. If it's 25, this should be also 25, I think. I think we did a good work here and good work here. And the worst case, we always can give... You know what? Why I'm not measuring? Like, I have the tool to measure the width of this one. So the width of this one is 1.5 meters. So it looks smaller. 1 meter is telling me. Okay, so I made a mistake. Delete again. Alrighty tighty. So we should have here that one, and this is the middle. In the way here, and I said it's 16 meters. Good enough. And I measured here 1 meter, so 50 to each direction. Move, duplicate, 50 and 100. Good enough. We got it. Now we can close one. No, this direction and that direction. I hope I'm gonna close it correctly. So we have one, and then we need to... 1 second. Let's take this one, and look like this one is 330. Even let's take a measurement here. 230, that's correct. 280, this is too much. It's definitely too much, and we barely have something left here. 140. Move. Okay, I need like something like that. You know what we can do? We can try to align you with the center. It's still centered correctly, right? Yep. Move. gonna try to take that point and move it accordingly to that point here. So this is the center. Okay, good enough. Now let's see here. Here we have 212, 212, 230. So looks like we need to move you 5, and that one can go also 5 here, and then something with 2.5, I think. 220, 217, 217, so 2.5, and that one is 2.5. Good enough. Now they are symmetrical, and that one is even more interesting because here we have some different detail. Where's the photo? Where's the photo? Where's the photo? I see the photo. Okay. Move, duplicate. That can go on that line. Very nice. Very good. And this breaks. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm deciding by myself what I'm doing with that one. Right. So push pull. 15, 15, 15. Good enough. The entrance are done, but not correctly. 0, 15. No, 0, 15. 15 centimeters. Sorry about that. 15, 15, 15. Very, very good. Now, I can say that I'm pretty pleased with that one. The only thing that we need to understand is what we are doing with the bottom of that one. Yeah, I know. Not fully finished, but at least we're making some progress here. So after having them, let's take them into the model. Control C to the 1 second to the there's also no more annoying textures here of this white texture. When this texture has left us, I don't know, need to see. Oh, this also will be deleted at the end. I really don't need that one. So Shift B for that one, and now I want, this already have that one. So I said I really don't like what I did here, and I want to start closing that texture here. If I'm gonna do that, I can form another poly today, and I really want to get to this point. So yeah, why not? We can close this poly at least. Second, just need to answer that message. Good enough. I need to go and do another cleanup to my home. Be here right back. my microphone is working, so apparently it was muted a little bit. So I'm not sure if my voice was good or not, but let's keep going. Control A for you, my friend. We're gonna form line. Let's do one segment. I don't need more than that. Looks correct. Don't see any other problems. Enter. Good enough. Explode. Triangulate all faces. Hopefully the face has been triangulated. Now let's throw some texture on that one. And all these cleaning materials doing bad to my lungs. All these fumes. Okay, but at least I cleaned what I wanted to clean. Bucket, paint. Okay, good enough. Texture, position. You can go here. You will go here. Then we can do rotation, 90 degrees, and voila. It should be done. Okay, it should be here. Looks correct. And then it's curving like that, and we can do explosion. Expelliarmus again. Bucket, paint, texture, position. And we're gonna do that trick and rotate 90 degrees. Enter. Good enough. So this is where the bridge begins. You can clean that one up, and next thing is that one. Righty-tighty. So how this will be done? Apparently, I want to take the right curves here for that road, and for this I need to go back to that model. And take that road, this one, and that curve here. Control C, 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 Control Shift V, 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 V. Okay. You know what? This simply can go here. Oh, I'm breaking my head over that one. And we are back to the first problem that we already had. So we got that guy here, that guy here, that guy here, here, that need to be trimmed. So 0.15, not letting me to do 0.15. I wonder if I can do 0.15 here to that guy. Yeah, 0.15. Okay, this one is done. Now let's take it all the way to the end here. Good enough. Okay, that is not needed. Oh, maybe this is needed. I don't know. We'll see it later. Now, this one is the most problematic one, because here we have some fun. Fun, 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 fun. Righty-tighty. So let's take that segment all the way here, and now we need to align it with the new one, that new one. So erase, erase, erase. Let's take that and that down. Move down. Come on, I'm gonna take you. Move down. Down, down, down. And we need to do at least straight segment here. And the same thing here. Okay, so we have reference, so we know where these lines should go continue. And that's definitely not right. Righty-tighty, so you should get straightened here. So we should make you straight a little bit more, until here at least. Okay, let's do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do the trick that did 11. Or at least we can do that gap here and see where it's turned into purple. Here, somewhere here. Okay, so we can live with that point 1 and point number, come on, select that one, and point number 2. Good enough. Okay, so somehow you should form this polygon now. And it doesn't want to form a polygon. You know why? Because he can. Damn. Pas, good pasa. Good pasik. How are you? You got your treat today? Righty-tighty, my darling. You see, we are fighting with this model. Oh, she's sleeping. She wants to sleep a little bit. Right. What have I done wrong? Everything. What have I done right? This is the same material as here. Okay, so this should be a very dark one. Okay, this will be solved. Oh, here's the problem. So you're saying we have a small gap here, right? Right. So you should be here, and probably both of you can go all the way here so we can minimize the damage. Finally. So we have straight segment and not a straight segment. Now move you up, copy, up here. Very good, and that can be gone. That can be gone. This is part of the road, still part of the road. This will be gone too, and voila. I wonder if we can close another face here. Cross my fingers, so it exactly what will happen here. Yes, and this has happened, but this is not good. I don't like what I'm seeing here. Texture, position. Why I don't like that one? Because problems are, well, first problems are meant to be solved, but as long as the blue sitting here, I won't be able to do the correction. So I'm gonna take you, and you will be aligned with this one, and voila, this is better now. Now that guy, make group, and we're gonna get here. Very good, and is that correct? No, still have problems here. Explode. This should go, this should go, this will be like, sorry about that, bucket alt, this will be like this one, all the way until it gets to the parking. Very good. Pass, good pass. Alrighty tighty. Make group. Now we can turn you back into a group and we can finito la commedia here. Oh, what is that? That looks like a leftover. Gonna remove that one at least. This one is also not needed. The old one is not needed, definitely. K lines. I just need the original lines here. So let's finish the texture on that curve. Oh, not good. Okay, Control A. And the form face, only one segment. The segments looks correct here, Have no complaints. Explode, reverse, triangulate faces, double check, very good. Let's finish it. So I'm gonna take this texture from here and I'm gonna paste it here. And now we're gonna run it across that module. Fine, very good. It's been dropped. So all I have now is to drop another texture on that face, position, and gonna place it here, and we'll cross my fingers so it's gonna work. Oh no, it's not working. Why so? I don't know why so, but probably we should move the blue, go to the green one, find the midpoint here, and rotate it correctly. Okay, that one is done. Now let's take a look at the photo. There is also stone here, but I'm not gonna model it. It's like gonna be too much. One and Control C and Control A, Shift Delete, very good. Shift V, gonna ring it up. I said I'm gonna bring you up, but you don't want to go up, so like that, delete, very good. Same to this one. The fumes of the cleaning materials I use right now. Shift V, move up. Good enough, delete. Right, hidden lines will be turned off. So right now I just need that line. This is alive, hidden lines. I don't need hidden lines anymore. Okay, you know what? 1, 1, 2, and 3. Make group. I do need that one. Control C to see exactly on the second model what have I done. Shift V. So here, this is passing. This is very, very good. And I need the outer line. So the outer one is this one. Very good. And same goes to here. Ooh, haven't done it here yet. Okay, so the outer line, and still this one is connected because of that one. Delete, erase, and erase that one. And I need the outer. This line, oh, sorry for that. This line is deleted. So we can go back here and do movement and see exactly how this one has been affected. It's been affecting that way. Righty tighty. Now we can do explode. And we can remove the old line that was here. And this is our new boundaries for that element. So I see I have missing detail here. So missing details need to be fixed. Missing details need to be fixed, and for that I need to go back to that model and get that line. Hopefully this will work. Shift V. Oh no, Shift V. Better. So here it's correct, but after that it's not correct anymore. Okay, so Control A. Oh, we should be exploded. All of you, go away. This one and this one are not needed. The problem starts here. Okay, delete. So all of that can go now. Delete, escape, explode, move down, and hopefully double click on that one. No, only deleting that one will solve the problem, and I hope it solved the problem. Now we can form the rest of that face. So let's see, this will come here. Now that this one is working. Ah, 1, 2, 3, and the problem is deeper than I thought, because I need to get that one. I see. Righty-tighty. So let's do first thing first. Gonna trim that one. It doesn't want to be trimmed. Gonna go all over that one, and also not working. Why so? Okay, that's better. Even better. So apparently we have a hole here. No, we don't have a hole. I'm not gonna draw it line by line. Thank you. Okay, it's really annoying me. I do need to get the bottom.